Hello! In this quick video tutorial, you'll learn how to integrate your Shopify store with Zoho Books. And to start the integration, you have to log into your Zoho Books account. Click the gear icon and you have to scroll down, and once you've found integrations and marketplace, click on other apps. And now search in marketplace and look for Shopify. You can search it and it's already here, so all you have to do is click on that. And now once you've chosen Shopify, you'll then see a screen where you can connect your Shopify store by clicking connect to Shopify. And at this point, Zoho will redirect you to the Shopify login page. And once you're logged in, you'll be asked to approve the connection between Shopify and Zoho Books. And after connecting, Zoho Books will bring you back to the integration setup screen. From here, you can choose whether to sync orders as sale orders or invoices, decide if payments, taxes, and shipping charges should sync automatically, map your Shopify items, customers, and tax settings to your Zoho Books data. And that's how you integrate Shopify with Zoho Books. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.